Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and give me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I am going to show you 5 ways in which you can use triangle stickers. What do I mean by triangle stickers? These, and they come in different sizes and shapes, like shape of triangle. These suckers, again, different size, different text, and even some frame type ones. And you can see there that those are completely different kinds of triangle. How do you use these? Let's look. 5 ways. Okay, so the first way that you can use these is either at the top of your, I'm going to call it box, but the box here, the framework, or at the top of an actual box. So I'm going to take this one that says now, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use this. I could just put this here and then pencil in, and it's just like a highlight. I want to call it a highlight of this is what you have to do, right? If you've already decorated your planner and you have a decorative sticker here and you're like, okay, I can't do that, you can put it here. Now, with this, you've got a couple of options. You can do it like that, where it just kind of points in. You could do it where it kind of overlaps. This is like Art Deco style, where it kind of pops at the top of the box. It pops out at the top of the box. You could also do it at the bottom. I don't like that as much because now doesn't make sense, but it could be something else. I like to do mine where they're just slightly popping out of the top of the box. And it could be to do, and that's my to-do list, clean, whatever. So either at the top of a box, either flush with it or like this, slightly overlapping, or at the top of your frame box, for lack of a better word. The second thing that you can do, and this works well with these types of stickers, the ones that are right-angled triangles. They're right-angled triangles. So this is a different one. I can't remember which one's isosceles and which one's equilateral. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. But with these, I like to use them as photo corners, because if you look at a photo corner, it's basically what it is. It's just this little right-angled triangle. So if you have a sticker, and I'm just going to take one at random. This says stay positive. Now I'm not going to put it down fully because I want to show you 2 ways. You can do it like this, where you take the sticker and you place it underneath. Now clearly you would spend more time and make sure that that was straight, because that's not straight. But you would add a little frame around the corner of your sticker, or you could do it on top and add a little corner to the sticker. So you could do it, you could do both. You could do both corners. And if you were going to do this with 2 corners, do it opposites. Do it opposite sides, so that diagonally opposite. Diagonally opposite. So that's the second thing you can do. Now, clearly, right there, you can see the third thing that you can do. We're pretending right now that this is a monthly box with the little notch cut out of it. I'm just going to pop it here. If you have a monthly box with the notch cut out of it, clearly it's done here. All you've got to do is take that corner and literally pop it on the corner to cover up that notch. Now it does also work with the other stickers, so you can just cover up the little notch in your monthly box. All right, we're back in the imagining game right now. I want you to imagine that you have a flip box or something that you are creating as a flip box. So I'm going to create a little flip box here. I've got a little checklist sticker, and I've got this decorative sticker. I want to use both of these, but I want them to be this is going to be a flip box. So I'm making these to go down together. Now I have this little flip box. Right? I have this little flip box. But what I can do to draw attention to that little flip box is make a tab. So I can take 2 of my triangle stickers and I can put one there, flip it open, and put the other one on the inside. And now I kind of know that this is my little flip. And that could be this way as well. You could just put it at the bottom and you have a little tab. You've seen me do things like that in my, my project life, but that is a good way to use your flip box as well. Like do a little tab for it. And that will actually work with any kind of sticker. It works with circles as well. Just make it to be a little tab that you can lift off. It can also work if you have a notebook and you want them to be little tabs on your notebooks. You can have a little tab there too, especially when they're like this. I mean, you could just letter in whatever it is that you want this to be to do, or it could be like priorities 1, 2, 3 categories or whatever. Put those in. So yes, a little flip box tab. The fifth way that you can use these is you can just use them as a to-do list, like a checklist. Now you can use them like this and have them be big. If you have a big project or something, you can put them off the side of the page. That's project 1, project number 1, and then you might have a task list there, and then you might have another one here and another task list here. The other thing that you can do is if you have these types, these say today plans you can and mantra. Now the mantra ones, I probably wouldn't use mantra. I probably just wouldn't. I could put that there and then cut the rest of that off. And it could just be a smaller one. Can you see that? It's just a smaller one. And then you can just have them all along the side of the page. And that also works if you're doing this and they're all coordinating colors. You can just create a triangular border across the edge of your page, across the bottom of your page, so it looks like a decorative accent on the page. So it could be a checklist, it could be a decorative border or accent. Okay, I hope that helped to show you 5 ways to use those pesky triangle stickers that sometimes trip us up when we're creating our planner spreads. If you enjoyed this and you found it useful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!